Now, heart is very important organ of a human body. It is located between the lungs and it is slightly tilted towards the left lung. Okay, the human heart is made up of four chambers. The upper right and left chambers are called right and left atria, and the lower and right and left chambers are called ventricles. The atria are smaller than ventricles and they have thinner walls and they receive blood from different parts of the body. Now we will see the passage of blood in the heart, or you can say circulation of blood in the body. Now, blood, it keeps on circulating in the body by contraction and relaxation of the heart. Okay. Now the deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body is enters the right atrium and then move to the right ventricle through tricuspid valve. अब क्या होता है, deoxygenated blood different parts से body के वो एंटर करता है राइट ऑट्रियम में, राइट ऑट्रियम से राइट वेंट्रिकल में जाके लंग्स में ब्लड चला जाता है. वहाँ पे ब्लड जो है वो ऑक्सीजनेशन होता है वहाँ पे ब्लड का, और ऑक्सीजन लेता है ब्लड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज कर देता है लंग्स में. नाउ दिस प्रोसेस इन द लंग्स, द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द ब्लड डिफ्यूजेस आउट एंड ब्लड absorbs the oxygen from the inhaled air, and this oxygenated blood returns to the left atrium through pulmonary veins, and from the left atrium the blood passes through the bicuspid valve to the left ventricle. लेफ्ट एट्रियम से लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल में जाती है एंड इट इज़ पम्प्ड आउट थ्रू अरोटा. अरोटा सबसे लार्जेस्ट आर्टरी है बॉडी की. ओके, एंड इट कैरीज ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड टू दी all organs and muscles of the body. Okay, now again we will understand the concept of circulation of blood by the flow chart. Okay, now what happens, veins, they carry deoxygenated blood from the different parts and it is given to right atrium, and from right atrium it travels to right ventricle, then through pulmonary arteries, lungs, they take oxygenated blood, and then pulmonary veins take the blood to left atrium, and then towards the left ventricle, and through aorta it oxygenated blood is distributed in the body. Next is heartbeat and pulse rate. Now the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart is known as heartbeat. आप लोग heartbeat आप लोग listen भी कर सकते हो. It sounds like lub dub from your chest cavity. Okay, ये contraction and relaxation होता है heart की muscles का. And the number of heartbeat in a minute is known as its heart rate. Okay, और normal heart rate जो adult का होता है वो 70 to 80 times per minute होता है. And doctors, they listen your heartbeat through an instrument which is known as stethoscope. Okay, or a pulse is a throbbing in sensation of an artery at each beat of the heart. When the heart pumps blood through the arteries, it creates a pulse that is felt in the arteries close to the skin surface. और हम wrist से इसको measure कर सकते हैं. Okay, and we can measure its count through by keeping a finger on our wrist.